Unit 7. Tape script 7.1. The Gina Macy website. Jerry from Texas.
You're American, but you don't live in the U.S. So where do you live?
Hi, Jerry. I live in France, in Paris. A lot of my work is here. Paris is my favorite city. I love it here.
Deng from Singapore.
I know you are divorced. Who are you married to now? What does your husband do?
I'm married to a Frenchman now, Julien Carib. He's a photographer. I love him very much, and he loves me. So we're very happy.
Miriam from Sydney.
I watch all your fashion shows. I love your clothes. Do you choose them? Who is your favourite designer? When are you in Sydney again?
Thank you, Miriam. No, we don't choose our clothes. The fashion house chooses them for us. Chanel is my favorite designer. We're in Sydney next October.
Silvio from Rome.
I love your website. Who are the kids in the photos? How old are they?
The girls are my daughters. Freya, she's 6, and Frida, she's 4. The baby is our son, Pierre-Louis. He's 10 months old. I adore them all.
Ingrid from Stockholm.
Why do your daughters have Swedish names?
Because their father is Swedish. He is Lars Lundqvist, the film director. It's sad, but he never visits us. He doesn't often see his beautiful daughters.
Julie from Oxford.
You do a lot of fashion shows. How many shows do you do every year? Why do you work so hard? What do you and Julian do in your free time?
Julie, I work hard because I love my work. I do about 8 big shows a year, but I love my family too. Friday is our favorite day. We all go to the best pizza restaurant in Paris. Pizza's my favorite food.
Tape script 7.2. 1.
Where do you live?
I live in France, in Paris.
2.
Who are you married to?
Julien Carib. He's French.
3.
What does your husband do?
He's a photographer.
4.
When are you in Sydney again?
Next October.
5.
Who are the kids in the photos?
My daughters, Freya and Frida, and my son, Pierre-Louis.
6.
How old are they?
They're 6, 4, and 10 months old.
7.
Why do your daughters have Swedish names?
Because their father is Swedish.
8.
How many shows do you do every year?
About 8.
9.
Why do you work so hard?
Because I love my work.
10.
What do you do in your free time?
I go out with my family.
Tape script 7.3.
Gina is a fashion model. Paris is her favourite city. She loves it there. Next October, she's in Sydney for a fashion show. She is now married to a Frenchman. They have a baby son. Friday is their favourite day.
Tape script 7.4. This and that. 1.
This is my favourite family photo.
Oh, yes. You all look very happy.
2,
Who's that?
The guy in the hat. That's the boss.
3,
What's that?
It's my new MP3 player.
Wow, it's great.
4,
How much is this?
£9.50.
I'll have it, please.
5,
How much is that?
It's £500.
I love it. It's fantastic.
6,
Is this your phone?
Yes, it is. Thanks.
7,
I like that coat.
The blue one?
No, the red one.
8,
I like this wine.
Where's it from?
Chili. It's delicious.
9,
This is for you.
A present? For me? Why?
Because I love you.
Tape script 7.5. I like them. 1,
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
2,
Do you like dogs?
No, I hate them.
3,
Do you like me?
Of course I like you.
4,
Does your teacher teach you French?
No, she teaches us English.
5,
Do you like your teacher?
We like her very much.
Tape script 7.6. Questions and answers. 1,
How do you come to school?
By bus.
2,
What do you have for breakfast?
Toast and coffee.
3,
Who's your favourite band?
I don't have a favourite. I like a lot.
4,
Where does your father work?
In an office in the centre of town.
5,
Why do you want to learn English?
Because it's an international language.
6,
How much money do you have on you?
Not a lot. About £2.
7,
What time do lessons start at your school?
They start at 9 o'clock.
8,
How many languages does your teacher speak?
3.
Tape script 7.7. Adjectives. 1,
Oh, it's so hot today, isn't it?
I know. It's 35 degrees.
2,
Hey, I like your new shoes.
Thank you. They're really nice, aren't they?
They're fantastic.
3,
I live in a very small flat.
How many bedrooms do you have?
Only one.
4,
How much is that coat?
£150.
Wow, that's too expensive for me.
5,
Your name's Peter, isn't it?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, nice to meet you, Peter.
Tape script 7.8. A postcard from San Francisco.
Dear Alan, we're on holiday in San Francisco this week. Our hotel is very nice, old but comfortable. The people are very friendly, but it isn't easy to understand them. They speak so fast. The food is delicious, especially the seafood, and the cafes and restaurants are wonderful. San Francisco is beautiful. It's a big city with a lot of new buildings, and it isn't expensive. The shops are great, and the Golden Gate Bridge is amazing. The weather is awful, rain and fog. It's cold and wet, but we're very happy. See you next week. Love, Ruben and Pasha, your Mexican students.
Script 7.9. 1.
Can I have a return ticket to Oxford, please?
2.
I like this jumper. Can I try it on?
3.
I want to post these letters to the Czech Republic, please.
4.
Can I have a coffee, please?
5.
Some aspirin, please?
Tape script 7.10. 1. In a railway station.
Can I have a return ticket to Oxford, please?
Sure.
How much is that?
£22.50, please.
Can I pay by credit card?
No problem. Put your card in the machine and enter your PIN number, please.
2. In a clothes shop.
Hello. Can I try on this jumper, please?
Of course. The changing rooms are over there.
3. In a post office.
Can I post these letters to the Czech Republic, please?
Sure. Put them on the scales. That's £1.68.
Thank you. How much is a stamp for a postcard to the United States?
62p.
Can I have 3, please?
4. In a cafe.
Yes, please.
Can I have a coffee, please? A latte.
Large or small?
Small, please. To take away.
Sure. Anything to eat?
No, thank you. Just a coffee.
Thanks a lot.
5. In a chemist's.
Next, please.
Hello. Can I have some aspirin, please?
12 or 24?
Pardon?
Do you want a packet of 12 aspirin or 24?
Oh, 12's fine, thanks.